extra lesson. I know everybody got a blessing, someone need lessons, someone need extra lessons. Now they be the first girl I ever get head now. Careful. Well, yo Frost. Yeah, hear me? Them man no girl is free. Let me tell you something if you never know idiot boy and you make she know me. Carry news to gal on a bad man style, na. Mama da she. Pour out the matter what this me I feel like she scream chat me text send me.
Yeah.
That looks so rich.
I really deal that, man.
Yeah, I go to look my way again.
Yay!
Yeah, go on. You enjoy look one pumpkin, I look different.
No, it's yellow food.
Demand. Bed's too big without you. Daddy, you couldn't tell me I left my tripod here in Jamaica?
What?
My tripod, that black something that's folded up underneath the couch. Tripod. It's like one.
Look like that.
Yeah, almost, but longer. Like it could extend way longer. Me see it underneath that. Daddy, me say when me go home, me search for that so till me weak. No, but I swear I packed it up and put it in my hand luggage. I did not know, and then because I had another one at home, I was thinking like, okay, no, that's mine. But then I had somebody else's. So I'm like, where's mine? I swear I know I brought it back from Jamaica. Ooh, ginger. Salt, the bulbs.
Curry, nothing curry. Auntie Marcia, a big curry.
Cinnamon.
Auntie Marcia.
Curry, where are you? Irish, £1.
They ain't buying on it.
No, £1. Would you like some assistance?
Well, I did something there.
The carts? Push yard. What is that? Are you done? Are you done?
Yeah, no, what else on the annex? Jamaican, you see?
Yeah, man.
Old man. Where the ducker? You eat ducker? No, go ducker now.
How you know what they know? You don't know nothing. Do you know what's in Asia or China or Vietnam or Japan or China?
Pango con lên cái gì pango.
Pango lên pango.
If you take one stone,
I got the bulb again.
Oh.
150. And you put some next time, put some this time.
You see?
Hey. I do think somebody else can realize here. Yep.
Ding, 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 ding. Thanks. Nope.
That's how you test the bulbs.
I know that. I bought bulbs in Jamaica before, so thanks. Are we gonna need toilet paper? Or should those ones do?
I'm not going to.
See fire.
Excuse me?
Fire.
No. No see fire light, me see.
Yeah.
You need to check about me settling. See fire? Yes.
Yes. But if you're gonna see something, I wanna see it, so. Aye.
Later.
Okay.
We're done, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good evening. Sorry, I need it. Why am I have the $50 in my hand for man? To my car door say I have $50. Ray, Daddy, why you against everybody who smoke ganja? What is the problem?
No, I'm not saying I'm against people smoke ganja, but she can buy her own. And when you take your money, give her now, she take it and buy it. You're supposed to see the amount of weed and cigarette that the woman buy.
So maybe she buy and sell for make back. And look like she not sell nothing.
I said, oh.
You brute, you. You get catch.
Hey, that's how I go. All of my little hard
earned. That's why I don't give to none of them. Not to one of them, because the whole of them
richer
richer than me.
buy weed and cigarette.
The whole of them richer than me. Nobody needs haircuts?
I need no one. A little line up.
If you come early in the morning, you might be able to.
So Rob!
Good night. Oh my god, you guys, I said hi to a police officer. Whoa! Oh god! Daddy, I want me get excited. You know how hard it is to talk to a police officer in foreign?
That's so here.
You think those people talk to you?
Glad when you call him here. That's
Hi! Hello! Alright, curry and we're done. Well, not done, because we still have to go back to Montego Bay. You guys want to save everything for tomorrow.
Everything like what?
Just like you guys said you guys were going to prepare yesterday. He said if you don't see him, you're fret. You're fret.
Our foreign.
Oh my god. So funny.
Anytime I make up mind already for a thing, you just do a thing. Just. Any man give you.
My wife would have catch him to beat, my wife would have beat him all the time.
Beating gun.
Yes, what over.
Nothing. Hey! Soapy! Why, my big friend Soapy Watton? Nothing. You're not come at dead yard. All right.
Yeah, light socket. Yeah.
You guys think I'm a big friend, you know. All of them people here we go see in I vlog. vlogs them, like everybody will see, like them know me from my baby I grew up. I come now, turn big woman, can pay me when I feel come down here, can bring them things, can give them a little money when I come here. Them time for something, you see me, I saw you feel live and you know, understand and all these type of things. So my family stay though, like at least up here, so we live really good and all these things. So yeah.
Alright,
Soupy, later. Alright.
Sure, man. You don't know what the thing go, man. Hustlers anthem. For the real hustlers, them. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping. Bang of them there. Tag, scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Bang of them there. Tag, scam of them there. Me a tell you say
Anchovy Square again, y'all. This is where we live, y'all. Daddy, you know, see the girl come back again and come ask me for money again when you parked up there? And she's like, watch her, because I was watching my videos. You heard about watch her now, just in her phone, like she not hear me up to her. Like, yo, my girl, you just asked me.
that's how that girl's thing.
I say, the girl I go ask me for $50, I'm gonna ask $50. She say, alright, 20 percent.
Yeah, man.
And she can't see me
That
drive
man.
down to the next door and she'll go cuss me because I'm not answer to her.
I don't know what else I want to tell you.
Every time I hear it, I think somebody's peeing. My sister's here. Alright, go consume this here. Go consume this yeah, go make one of them. You go out. And yeah, make the best of it because I guess they'll be here tomorrow because it's here again. Yo, I got to meet one of my favorite YouTubers yesterday when I went to Kingston. Did you see it? You didn't see it on my Snapchat? I wanted that better. She subscribed to my YouTube channel. Idiot. Listen to subscribe before you do that. This one should have known not about me. And me just see her and follow her and love her. Like she lived in the UK and then she recently moved back to Jamaica. She's from Jamaica, but she lived abroad. and she has she has 2 businesses in Jamaica, one in Ochi, like her and her parents, one in Ochi and one in Kingston. And we were driving around, and I'm like, oh, Devon has enough to go this place. And I'm like, shit, there's so many freaking restaurants here. But then when I was in the bathroom, one of the people that worked in her place came in, and I know what their uniforms look like because I see her on YouTube, I see her on Snapchat. So I'm like, okay, let me go look. So I looked in the first window, and I'm like, okay, let me not see her. Maybe she's not there work today, or maybe she's there OG. And then I went past and I see her on her laptop. I ran and I'm like, Mitty! I'm like, I love you. She's like, oh my God, don't tell me. I'm like, yes, my girl, no, watch it. And then she's like, don't tell me you do it too, because I see you with I was holding the same thing I have standing up. I was in there with him. And I'm like, yes, I do. And she's like, what are you here for? I'm like, a funeral. She's like, oh, okay, whatever. And then she was like, what's your channel? She pulled it up on her laptop and she was like, okay, I'm going to subscribe. I was like, okay. I love her. Like, I love her. She's one of the few that like actually like. And she's linked up with Lyric before. Because they both do makeup. So yeah. Well, I'd say it's just almost like the same situation. Yeah, sip the tea, sip it. Now make him on you. Big girl. You know, I'm not going to know them someday. Even if they tell me I ate an apple, I'm not going to know who an apple. I have no clue. You know? So I'm not wrong him. Would I do the same thing too? Straight up. Alright, tell me. Let me hear. What happened? Let me put something back here. What? That? Should we forget to the slow record? I mix up time. Oh Lord Jesus, why did it have to be about them? As much as that has its ways. No, but as much as it has its ways. Just in everything. And it's like
everybody want to read the band. Frustration is set them on to ride up on the bread of no tears, no tears. If we evil did stop our time. Everybody want to read the band. Push this foot and can't never lie. Never take me serious. So many goals and passes, patrols and passes. My life, I have to pray on my way.
Yeah. not watch me out, he might watch on my life. He might watch me. You see me? Me no business. I don't care. Here, here, here. This is the best part of soup, the food. Like, they made it more strong. That's what I tried to tell them. I'm not showing the people, yeah. Let's see what go on. You guys, this is Porky. There's pork today. We're not getting on. Say hi to my friends back home.
Hello, Moto.
Me never say do the opening for Motorola phone. Me say hello to my friends.
Hi, April, how are you?
This is why me and him can't agree here. This is exactly why me and him can't agree. Oh. What? I have on too much? Me take off some. I mean, category 5. Category 5. Huh? Who? Matthew. I think so. It's coming back to Jamaica. It's coming back to Jamaica. No, I dropped me a mic. There's just regular rum, and then you have chasers, or Sean. Somebody give me one mic. Let me see. Turn your lights down low. Don't let your moon come shining into our life again. It's been a long time. Alright, I might turn on. Turn your lights down low. Never try to resist. Oh no. Ooh, I love you. And I want you to know right now that Alright, I'm gonna feed something. Go. It's growing. Yes, Roy, you're growing. You're gonna make my Facebook views, YouTube views grow, you know. Shining so bright. Oh, that. Yeah, Daddy. I know you get the dancing award again. Yo, right, let me dance again. It looks like maybe. Anyways, so police come here now. Come tell me, say, in order to keep dead yard, we need permits. Does anywhere else in the world keep dead yards other than Jamaica? Like Jamaica, the only place you know we keep dead yard. You have viewings. You have other things, but dead yard.
You don't like have a love. It's just like a family thing get together.
Like, we didn't charge entry fee, we didn't charge nobody nothing. It's our family and friends gathering together to remember somebody. So I don't understand right, I'm facing out at yo. I said I soon stop spend my money come here. You understand? I have to go get visa come look for me a foreign because
God in my car, all the way to you. Lights on your door, you hold in my hand to ask you a question. I know that you know that shit.
yeah, Gary. Go on, Gary.
Say yes, say yes.
Why you gotta be so?
We're doing it for the vlog.
Don't you know you've been true? Why you gotta be so rude? Hey, I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say, marry that girl. She will. Why you gotta be so rude? Hi. I'm good. How are you? Katie, I'm with my pasta again.
I don't know. Why? Just give me you. Wow. You want me to put that concert in it? Material things I can buy myself if I really want to. I need something special. I need something new. Don't bring me roses. That's not nice. When the crowd is liking what you're playing, you're supposed to, keep the flow, not change it up. Watch out. Go there, Gary. Yes. Yo. Oh Lord. Let's see what he's gonna play now.
Really?
Yep.
So you're actually doing it?
Yes.
I'm play something.
Oh Lord Jesus. He went to play the rapist. He played. Adi, I thought you weren't married.
I know.
I thought you weren't married. Hey. Wifey walk out, me and stand up. Yo, it's so funny. Yo, there is so much mix-up going on right now. It's too funny, yo. What do you mean? You guys look who came to visit me. Hi.
Hi, Zoe.
Not me. Say hello to my friends.
Hi, Zoe friends. This is the monk.
Every freaking time she says that. This is the monk. We don't have animals on my channel. There's no animals. So say hello.
Hi, hello. I'm Zoe Pet. She's my daughter. She's my babe.
I don't want no kiss or no monk or no pet. Because I don't like pets. So if you have pet or monk, I don't like you again. Alright. Black and delete. From a girl I go on like she too stubborn. I insta black and delete. Okay, come again. One more time, last time, third time's the charm. Say hello.
Hi.
Me know. King. Angie.
You understand? Zoe, I will pick me do. The joke of the year. What say? Tell me what you say.
You say you hear me call your name. Tell me what I say.
Me hear you say. Yeah, there again. Tell me top call me name. Oh, they're man.
Mummy.
Yeah? Where's the Zoe?
Hey! Daddy, you can't say nothing about that one here. Daddy, you cannot complain about this one. Let me start that one here. Like how Martin Luther King would have started.
My dream is to live my dream. You're the most high when you sleep on the sea. Tell me my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on my headstone. Nobody don't be cry, oh, Bobby dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh. That's to live my life, but
Yeah! The whole I want to mix up.
I can't understand what we ain't going before.
The whole of them people you mix up to rat with. No, so we can manage, we don't know whole people. The whole of no. Tell them outside when we see it on it. Tell them I want stop catch your ass in front of me, man. You're so damn nasty. And then you want to come touch up my daddy hand. Move daddy, she just scratch her bum. Just scratch her bum. So nasty. Oh God. It's a success. Night 1. Face tomorrow. Today, chapter 12. Auntie.